Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to activate Lycamobile SIM card. So today I'm gonna discuss about how to activate your SIM card, guys. So first thing that you will do is go to their website, and from their website, guys, you can do this on your mobile. All you have to do, guys, is just go to lycamobile.us. And then from here, guys, this will be their homepage. First thing that you will do is go to the three lines over here on the side of their logo. And then from here, guys, a sidebar will pop up. And then from here, just click join Leica today. And then from here, guys, you will see activate a SIM. So guys, just activate your SIM, and then from here you will fill up the necessary information in order for you to proceed with this process. So guys, from here just provide your email address, zip code, SIM card, and PUK code. And if you have an existing mobile number and you want to activate it, you can just click it over here at the top. And from here, just provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.